Welcome back, everybody. I have a video review for you guys. So I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but Modelones was kind enough to send over this dip powder kit for me to review for you guys. So we're just gonna get straight into the point. So I got the kit. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what they were sending. So they sent over 6 dip powders, a set of liquids, a little duster brush, and all this came in this little cute pouch, which I'm gonna still keep everything in. I don't like the bottles straight off the bat. I'm just gonna say it right now. I do not like tiny plastic bottles like this. And this is the duster brush. It's cute, it's soft. I personally prefer stiffer brushes to dust off my dip powder, but I can use this to clean my nail surface when I get dust everywhere. It's awesome that they provided extra brushes for your dip liquids in case they get thick, goopy, or hard, but I'm not gonna use, I don't know. In the long term, I'm not going to use these liquids because I hate light plastic bottles. So here are the dip instructions. It's two-sided, so you open on the inside, and here's the actual step-by-step instructions. So I actually highly recommend that you read these because there is a tip or trick about the second activator that I totally skipped when I was swatching these. So I'm going to skip straight into opening each of these dip powders. I'm going to open the lids and show you the powder, and then at the end I'm going to show you guys each of the swatches so you can see what they look like when they're done. The jar sizes are also pretty small. They're 0.43 ounces, so slightly under a ½ ounce, but larger than the traditional 1/4 ounce that you see a lot of these indie brands of dip powders use. Okay guys, so I swatched these and I just learned a valuable lesson that I'm going to teach you guys. So there's water spots on each of these swatches. I don't think it made it on the black ones, or I just can't see it. But I learned, because apparently I didn't read the instructions before swatching them, you're supposed to skip the second activator before you top coat. Like, don't apply another layer of activator. So, I basically ruined these. But I want to show you guys 4 of the colors. So these 2 and then another 2 look really similar to each other. So I personally don't see much of a difference, enough of a difference to put these 4 colors together in a kit. And then of course you have this black and this brown, which obviously are not anything alike. So I feel like I only got 4 colors instead of 6. So I'm gonna start dipping my nails. I'm gonna apply 2 layers of Peel Base. I just did that right here, but I didn't make you watch it. See what I did there? I'm currently using Peel Base over a layer of clear builder gel, and I have a video coming on that soon. So I decided to do color number 34. They don't have names, and I was completely out of frame for this shot. I just tried to do a semi-color blocking design on my accent nail, and after I reviewed the footage, I was completely out of shot, and I'm so sorry, guys. So I wanted to do a little color block slanted tip and add little pieces of gold foil on here. My friend Katie, she gave me this inspiration. She did a mani using this, looking absolutely gorgeous. So I put a layer of gel base on top of my nails, and I'm just using a nail art brush to pick up the pieces of the gold foil and then place them where I want. Now I'm going to move on to dipping the rest of my nails. I'm going to dip them all solid 2, maybe 3 times using color number 34. I learned while I was swatching these that I did not like the liquids. Personally, I think the bottles are very lightweight, and to me, that is annoying to use because my bottles tip over a lot when I'm trying to use them. I need heavier weighted bottles, so I'm using a different brand liquids, and I'll have that linked in the description below. I mean, I like what I like. I did find the powder very easy to dip in, and I didn't find any problems. I didn't have any staining issues, and there weren't really any lumps, so that's a pro and very nice quality powder. I would just ditch the liquids if I were you. So I'm going to do another full layer of dips on all my nails except for my accent nail. So I'm just going to speed through that and let you guys watch and enjoy. So now I'm all done with the dipping process of this mani, and I gotta move on and apply layers of activator. Remember, do not apply 2 layers of activator, or for some reason, I don't know what they have in these dip powders, but they get water spots on them, and it really sucks. It just ruins the whole look of the nails. So I'm applying a layer of activator, and then I'm gonna file, shape, and buff, and then we'll be on to the top coat. Because I don't trust how these powders are going to react, I don't know if they're going to get water spots if I put another activator on it with another brand or dip top coat. Maybe the problem was dip powder top coat. I'm really not sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a gel top coat on all of my nails to save myself from ruining my nails. And then I'm going to cure it in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And here are the nails before curing in the lamp. I just love how glossy they are, and I love the depth and how dark this color is. I'm all done curing, and now I'm about to apply my favorite cuticle oil to all of my nails, which is Candi Skincare. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them. I use it every single day. The scent that I'm using right now is Hot Mess Marla, and it has been my recent new favorite, and I recommend it. If you like sweet scents, ice creamy kind of rainbow sherbet type of scents, I highly recommend it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments box below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you next week.